And the final plan I want to encourage you to make is when you, as the parent or grandparent, find something wrong. See, at first is when it happened to them. The second is when they choose it and they tell you. The third is when they don't choose to tell you and you find out on your own. And then you allow them to know what you're going to do. See, where this is powerful is because you're creating a plan when things go wrong that you as the parent know to do. Instead of being shocked by what you found and then just reacting in the moment because it might not be your best self. And then talk about it with your child or your teenager. So now everyone's on board and they know if you find something that's not good for them, this is what you're going to do. And we'll find in those difficult moments, having that plan, it actually takes the heated emotion out of a difficult moment. Because when your child or your teenager is looking at something that they shouldn't look at, that's not good for their head or their heart, you want to be able to focus on their head and their heart and not make the device the most important piece of the conversation.